Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another makeup look. This is obviously fall inspired. If you guys want to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. So I already primed my eyes with some concealer, and now I'm going in with the shade Cocoa, and I'm applying this to the outer corner of my eyes. So I'm just going to pack on the color before I blend. Now I'm just using a blending brush and blending the shade out to make sure there are no harsh lines. I did go back a few times and applied more of the shade because I didn't want it to be completely like faded out. So I went back a few times, packed on the color and blended it out. Now I'm grabbing a little bit of black truffle and I'm applying it right on top of the cocoa shade. I don't want the black to be so intense, so I am gonna grab a little bit of cocoa and blend it out with the black shade, which is the black truffle. Using a clean blending brush, I'm just going to blend the color up to my crease and my brow bone. The next shade I'll be applying is Trust Fund. I am applying it with my finger. This is just going to go to the inner half of my eye, and I did apply a little bit of setting spray to my finger before I picked up the shade. I feel like it gives it a little bit more of like a wet kind of look. So you can apply it with a brush if you like. For me, I just think that applying it with my finger works a lot better. Now going back with the fluffy blending brush, I picked up a little bit of cocoa and just blended the shimmer and the matte shades together. To draw my eyeliner, I'm using this LA Splash Art-ki-Tekt Slim Eyeliner. It doesn't have a shade name, but we did get this in one of our boxy charms, I think. So yeah, I'm just going to be using this one. I don't really like it. I feel like it's not as black as I would want it to be, but yeah, so I'm just going to be using this and drawing my wing. As you guys can see, I am going in and drawing a very dramatic wing. You can go as dramatic as you like, or you can definitely tone it down. It's up to you guys. Now just using a little bit of concealer to sharpen it up. For lashes, I'm using this very dramatic lashes. I don't know exactly where I got them. I'm sorry, you guys, but I film the videos and I take a while to edit, so I just forget whatever I used. But I'll try to find them and I'll leave the name down below if I do. Now I'm just applying cocoa to my bottom lash line and I'm blending it out, and then I applied a little bit of mascara to my lashes, and that is it. This completes the look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.